Wah, lanjutkan.
Belum korilang. Udah belum. Coba deh bedanya.
Jadi tahu penumpang dong.
Oh, no. Ada sih baju.
Natural disasters have once again brought deep sorrow to Indonesia on Sunday, February 10th, 2025. Several regions are in turmoil, and this time, it is Bali Province that is severely affected. It began with heavy rainfall, followed by strong winds and even a tornado that swept through residential areas, toppling buildings, uprooting trees in several locations, and crushing vehicles.
Wah, lanjutkan. Wih.
Several areas in Bali Province were affected by the strong winds, including Gianyar Regency, Denpasar, and Jembrana Regency. The Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency, BMKG, recorded wind speeds reaching 38 knots or 70 kilometers per hour. It was powerful enough to collapse the Bale Pegat building at Pure Dalem Guwang, coinciding with the Banyupinaruh Day.
Saja terjadi pohon tumbang di Usah. Masuk info Karangasem.
Ada runtuhan nanti. Ini ada kabel masih banyak.
In Ubud, Gianyar Regency, strong winds caused trees to fall, such as in the Jakutpaku Bridge area near Ceres Hotel, blocking the road access east of the traffic light at the Bang Village intersection. This situation was particularly dangerous as the fallen trees stretched across the road and struck electrical wires.
Gimana ini Batara? Wih, keleng Batara, butuh mang dia Batara. Aduh Batara, Batara.
In Jembrana Regency, the strong winds damaged several houses in Banjar Teleklimo, Tegelbaiting Barat Village, as well as in Gilimanuk Village, Malaya District. Meanwhile, 30 houses in Banjar Asri, Aram, Pinjinyaman, and Asai suffered damage, mostly to their roofs.
Pohon tumbang dari Musabe. Jangan lewat sini ya teman-teman, cari jalur lain. Tuh tiang listrik tumbang.
The Bali Regional Disaster Management Agency, BPBD, has urged the public to heed BMKG's warnings, as the agency has issued an early warning for extreme weather. This is especially critical because tropical cyclone seed 96S has triggered strong winds reaching speeds of 54 kilometers per hour from February 9th to 11th, 2025, in Bali.